We've journeyed outside to show you the new SoHo Jumbo Street Pastels. They come open stock in 60 colors or this nice little set of 20. They're a really high quality product for artist use. Their colors are extremely vibrant, huge color range, and also they're designed to crumble less and be a little bit more resilient for that abrasive surface you put them on. They work on brick, on concrete, on cement, and they're a really nice item. The sticks themselves are, as you can see, jumbo. I think they're 1 inch in diameter and 2.7 inches in width. And so I just want to give you guys an opportunity to kind of see how they work. This is probably going to be one of your more abrasive surfaces, just brick, and see how they hold together. And how vibrant the colors are. Now, this brick is very rough. I mean, there are huge crevices, cracks, and the pastel's not breaking on me. It's holding together nicely. And I'm just going to throw some white in there. This is not American flag, but it might reminisce one. There's a lot of supplies like this on the market that are designed specifically for children. But one of the nicest things that I think about this is it's designed for the fine artist. And if you're working outside, most likely a street festival, chalk festival, the idea is that they're not going to be there forever, so they wash away just fine, you know, when that time comes. But to have the option of 60 colors of high quality street pastels is something that's just a really great product to put on the market. Something that, you know, a children's brand wouldn't be able to have that many options for colors and this much resilience. They hold together so nicely. So these are the SoHo Jumbo Street Pastels. Again, the set of 20 or 60 colors open stock.